Hello there and welcome to AMH Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how you can update your Microsoft Store in Windows 11. Feel free to fill up my feedback form which is in the description so that I can improve my videos in the near future. So there are a few questions. The first one is what the shortcomings of my video are, and the second one is how likely are you recommending this channel to a friend, and then if you have any suggestions please include them in the form. Thank you. So let's start the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how the old store looks like. So you can see the old store how it is. So now I'll give you the link which is in the description to open the MediaFire page, and now click the download button. The download has started. So I'm not downloading because I have already downloaded it in my PC. So after you finish downloading, double click the Windows 11 store and wait till you get the update button and click it. And now the Microsoft Store has finished updating and it is opening on its own, and you can see the new Microsoft Store preview for Windows 11. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe, like and press the bell icon for notifications, and don't forget to fill up the feedback form which is also in the description. Thank you for watching this video.